Many asteroids have passed through our solar system, and it seems even though 2020 has had its fair share of asteroids passing by the Earth, there will be more to come. And there's one that is being projected to pass by the Earth in November 2020. Based on reports, it seems that an asteroid is on a possible collision course with our Earth, and it will get closer in November 2020. The pandemic is still affecting the planet, and disasters have also affected different regions on the Earth. But now, there is an asteroid that is heading directly for the Earth. As this asteroid is headed in our general direction, it may not be coming right at us. However, we should still be concerned about the projected path of this asteroid. Space object is called 2018 VP1, and it is currently hurtling through our solar system, and it is due to be in the vicinity of the Earth in early November 2020. Observing NASA star maps and looking at the JPL Small Body Database browser, it is easy to see all of these space objects that are heading towards us on Earth. When you look through and do your necessary research, it is easy for you to figure out all of these objects that are in space. You will see asteroids and other objects, and you will note that 2018 VP1 is on its way to Earth's vicinity. Asteroid 2018 VP1 is a very unusual case of an asteroid that may come closer to Earth than the Moon, and perhaps even closer than many of our large orbiting satellites. And VP1 was spotted years ago, and we would have known about this close flyby that will happen in November 2020. These asteroids normally go by close and may even impact our atmosphere, but these asteroids are often spotted just days before their close approach, and sometimes days after they have already flown by. This asteroid is a specific case, as we are well aware of its visit. So it is time to basically keep a watch of the path that this asteroid will take. It is still very highly unlikely around how close this space rock will actually get to our planet. However, according to NASA's Close Approach database, the asteroid is expected to come as close as 4,700 miles, or just about 260,000 miles, close to the Earth, and that is the range. According to scientists, through the use of the Palermo scale, this asteroid's flyby does not have much of an impact risk. It's about a -3, which means it's not worthy of serious concern. On the Torino scale, which is a different scale, that is meant to convey the actual risk of danger by taking into account additional factors like the size of the asteroid, it does not even register. That reason is due to 2018 VP1 being estimated to be no wider than a few meters, an asteroid that is likely to be almost completely burnt up as it collides with our atmosphere. There is also another asteroid, 2011 ES4, that is expected to come within about 45,000 miles of the Earth on September 1. This huge, bad rock could be up to 50 meters across, making it possibly the size of a large house. Now we're talking about something closer to the size of the bolide that exploded over Russia in 2014, and this damage the windows of homes all around the city of Chelyabinsk. While close by cosmic standards, 45,000 miles is further away than all orbiting satellites. Once again, it does not even register on the Torino scale. It should be noted that none of the thousands of asteroids that have been discovered, catalogued, and monitored are currently registered on the scale. But that could change at any moment. So for now, while you are concerned, just keep a watch on the night skies and the day skies as well. Now, of course, keep a lookout because sometimes these asteroids give a spectacular show, and sometimes or comets as well that come close by gives us a spectacular sky view. We should be concerned about asteroids. It should be noted that there are many researchers, scientists, and astronomers who are observing these space objects as they enter our solar system. Now, NASA is one such agency that watches out for these space objects that do the necessary and close flybys to the Earth. Now, sometimes they don't notice them until days after they have passed, and sometimes they are observed a few days before they pass by. However, it should be noted that whilst we should be concerned about the asteroid that should be closely flying by the Earth in September 2020 and in November 2020, they seem not to pose any potential threat to our Earth. Until then, we will wait, watch, and see, and keep abreast of the information that is being presented about ES4 and VP1. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.